بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره ونعوذ به من شرور أنفسنا ومن سيئات أعمالنا. من يهده الله فهو المهتدي ومن يضلل فلا هادي له. وأشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وحده لا شريك له. وأشهد أن سيدنا ونبينا محمدا عبده ورسوله. يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء. واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله وقولوا قولا سديدا يصلح لكم أعمالكم ويغفر لكم ذنوبكم ومن يطع الله ورسوله فقد فاز فوزا عظيما. يا أيها الذين آمنوا اتقوا الله حق تقاته ولا تموتن إلا وأنتم مسلمون. ثم أما بعد فإن أصدق الحديث كتاب الله وخير الهدي هدي نبينا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وشر الأمور محدثاتها وكل محدثة بدعة وكل بدعة ضلالة وكل ضلالة في النار. أيها الأحبة الأكارم، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أراكم ورحمة أفيكم ورحمة أفيكم تنجوكم ورحمة الله سبحانه وأن نشوى بيأكوه وشواني مسلمين وشواني مسلمين تنجرون بسني مسلمين تنجاوة. أراكم ورحمة الله نشوى إليكم وبعضهم واجبون بيرير رمضان إيجاد بيرير رمضان أتوقع أتكلمتي لوني أما خلفي رمضان كنيتو أريد أن أقول أتي عليك ولو في وضع المدرسة ويبين كلما لا تكتر رمضان أتبعه لذلك لو نقول لي يوم رمضان بره كما نقول لي رمضان كمية كما نقول لي كمية تعاون كمية تومي دوني أو بس نقول لي لا واجب فلو على كلام فلو عليكم كرام سبحانه وتعالى ربما عليه بين المفروض صحابة عمري موجود تاني يبالي أو تاني يبالي عليكم ورحمة عليكم كأن الله سبحانه وتعالى ربما فايسين كوني بيرتي بيجوا بيلاني وناني بكشاب دعوة الإسلامية وناني ما فايسين الله ما فاقا بيجوا بيلاني أنا بقول الله سبحانه وتعالى دعوة بيجوا بيلاني Alaikum lana kalau masih berkata, aku melai dengan berdoa berdoa, aku selalu berdoa ya Allah. Walaupun Allah kuasa, illa billahi al-azim. All praise be to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We appreciate Him, we commend Him for His grace on our lives. We appreciate Him, we commend Him for His blessings upon our souls. We appreciate Him for we commend Him for sparing our life today, which is the 8th day of the month of Ramadan. We have nothing to say to Almighty Allah other than saying Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We also celebrate the Prophet Muhammad, his household companions, and those that stood by him till the day of resurrection. And so we also remember our parents, those that are alive and happy with them, and those that are gone, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant them Jannah. وَلَا حَوْلَ وَلَا قُوَّةَ إِلَّا بِاللَّهِ الْعَلِيِّ الْعَظِيمِ. Ní àwọn ọjọ́ díẹ̀ sẹ́yìn, a ti bá wa sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn àlàyé tí ń bẹ nínú Suratu Yusuf, àwọn ẹ̀kọ́ tó wà nínú Suratu Yusuf, àwọn àǹfààní táwọn tó ń jẹ́ nínú Suratu Yusuf. So a ti ń ṣe ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àlàyé fún wa láàrin àwọn ọjọ́ díẹ̀ sẹ́yìn. Àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́pàá jẹ́ kí ẹ̀kọ́ náà lọ́nà ní wúlò fún wa. Some days ago we were discussing about the lessons from Suratu Yusuf. I'm very sure we've learned a lot from that particular surah, which we are still going to learn a lot from this particular surah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has embedded a lot of lessons in the story of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. This story is not just a mere story that we just hear and laugh or hear and think, this is a sweet story. No. It is a story that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala narrated in this particular surah that Allah wants us to learn from this surah for us to be able to plan our lives, for us to know that no condition is permanent, and for us to also be very careful when we are having relationship with women. Because Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam moved from one stage to another. The stage in which he encountered with his siblings, the stage in which he was thrown inside the well, the stage in which he spent in the hands of those that captured him, that are molesting him inside the well, the stage also in which he spent in the hands of those that bought him from those that are rescuing him from the well. And also, he went through that stage. Those stages were so hard for him until he now moved to a particular stage which a wealthy man in Egypt bought him and started living a very peaceful life, harmonious life, that he feel like there's no problem after that. Eventually, all of a sudden, the wife of his boss started seducing him. So the information went viral in the city. So Zuleika, which is the name of the wife, and the name of his boss wife, when the information of the women that are seducing him got the information of her that she is seducing her servants, she was not that ashamed, but what she did was that he invited all of them to come to their house. He threw a banquet that all of you come and see what you don't see. Come and look at what you don't know about this particular guy named Yusuf. When they all came, when they announced Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَطَعْنَا أَيْدِيَهُنَّ فَلَمَّا رَأَيْنَهُ. When they saw Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, when they saw them, they all set their eyes on Prophet Yusuf. But beforehand, Zuleika has prepared knives for every one of them. So while the knife is in their hands, وَطَعْنَا أَيْدِيَهُنَّ, they were all cutting their hands. وَقُلْنَا حَاشَا لِلَّهِ. They said, is this Allah's creation? Did Allah created this? This is not a human being. This is not a human being. In hada illa malakun kareem. This is none but a noble angel. Because the handsomeness of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam made them that way, that they had nothing to say than to say, wow, this is not a human being but an angel. So that is another stage in which Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam encountered in the stages of life. Don't forget that where Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, where he is going to a very higher position. So it means whenever we all are admiring to be in a higher place, which simply means you can never get to that higher place without facing any challenges. You can't get to a very noble place without facing any challenges. So all these challenges which Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam is facing is because he is going to be a very a notable person in the community. So now, after that, when this happened between Zuleika and these women, what Zuleika now said to these women that, you see, you are all blaming me, you are all saying sort of things, you are creating rumors around the city that I'm seducing my servants, my slave. You are saying a lot of things. I think you've seen what I did, you've seen the result now. You are all putting your hands. Allahu Akbar. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قالت فذلكن الذي لمتنني فيه ولقد راودته عن نفسي فاستعصم ولئن لم يفعل ما آمره ليسجنن وليكون من الصاغرين. قال رب السجن أحب إلي مما يدعونني إليه وإلا تصرف عني كيدهن أصب إليهن وأكن من الجاهلين. ثم بدا لهم من بعد ما رأوا الآيات ليسجننه حتى حين. ودخل معه السجن فتيان قال أحدهما إني أراني أعصر خمرا وقال الآخر إني أراني أحمل فوق رأسي خبزا تأكل الطير منه نبئنا بتأويله إنا نراك من المحسنين. صلى الله عليه وسلم. Now, after that stage, in which those ladies were putting their hands, what Zuleika said to them, she said, فَذَلِكُنَّ الَّذِي لُمْتُنَّنِي فِيهِ. That is what you blamed me on. You all blamed me about. That I'm seducing my servant, I'm seducing my slave. Now you see what you just did now. You see the handsomeness of Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. وَلَقَدْ رَوَدْتُهُ عَنْ نَفْسِهِ. Indeed, I certainly seduced him. I seduced him. And what made me seduce him was this handsomeness. فَاسْتَعْصَمَ. But Yusuf declined. Yusuf declined. That is why, as a man, if such thing happen, you have to decline for you to be among the land of Jannah. Because Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, سَبْعَةٌ يُظِلُّهُمُ اللَّهُ يَوْمَ لَا ظِلَّ إِلَّا ظِلُّهُ. There are 7 people that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will put under his shade on the day that there won't be any shade on that day. Because every place on this, everywhere will be so sunny that we will have no shade. But there are 7 people that will be that will be under Allah's shade on the day of Qiyamah. But Prophet Muhammad mentioned someone among them. Prophet Muhammad said, وَرَجُلٌ أَتَاهُ أتته مرأة ذات منصب ومال وجمال أو كما قال صلى الله عليه وسلم. One person among the seven that will enter, that will be under Allah's shade on the day that will not that there will be no shade on that day, is a person, a youth or a man that a woman asks him to come and have an affair with him. And the man said, Inni akhafullah. I fear Allah. Who can do that now? If a woman asks me to come and have an affair with him, and you know she's not your wife, and you know you don't have any clothes together, what will you do? Will you accept? But if you decline, you will be under Allah's shade on the day of Qiyamah. But Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam also declined this particular seduction. This woman tried every best to seduce Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, but he also confessed to the women, Warahmotullah and nafsi. Truly, I seduced him for her, but Prophet Yusuf declined. He refused. But if he refused to submit to what I requested of him, that's why I said yesterday, and this way the man asked about the husband after he discovered that his wife is lying. Okay. So, you know women, they are cunning. They are so cunning that he tried, he announced what she said, what Teresa said at that particular moment is that, if he refused to accept what I requested of him, it means he will be imprisoned. He will be imprisoned. Seek determination. It means he will be imprisoned. So see now what happened after. In that particular situation was that because Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, also later requested the prison himself, but inshallah we'll get to that. But this woman insists that if Yusuf refused to have an affair with her, it means he will be in prison. And will be of those that are displaced, that have no place in this land. That have no place in this land. Call out. And Yusuf now said, Oh Allah, oh my God. It means that all the prophets, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always guide them right. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have paved way of guidance for all the prophets. So at this particular moment, it quickly called Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You as a Muslim, when you find yourself in a situation whereby it's either you commit sin or you go down. You know, it's up to you have to option at that particular moment. It's either you commit sin to be elevated, or you decline committing sin, or you do not commit sin and you will be demoted. So you have two options to do that. But our advice is either you ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to guide you in that particular moment. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guided Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. That's why he said, call out. Prophet Yusuf said, oh my Lord, as seeking Muhammad, I will prefer to go to prison. See the decision. I will prefer to go to the prison.
instead of me to submit to what they are calling me to do. You see, these women are inviting me to come and commit fornication. And I don't want to fornicate. As simple I would prefer to go to the prison instead. So as a Muslim, as a human being, you find yourself in a situation whereby it's either you choose to commit sin, to think you are upgraded, or you choose to decline to abstain from committing that sin and stand where you are, keep your position, or you will be demoted. But when you choose, the right option there is that you must choose not to commit sin. Because if you choose to commit sin, it means Allah will punish you. You will be punished by Allah, and your demotion will never be permanent. Even though they demote you, even though they bring you down, it doesn't mean you will be down forever. Allah knows your intention. If you do that sincerely, that I don't want to commit sin for the sake of Allah. I don't want to commit sin. I have to abstain from this situation because Allah will punish me if I do that. Bismillah, Allah will use that and bring another goodness for you in an unexpected way. That is what happened to Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. وَإِلَّا تَصْرِفُ عَنِّي كَيْدَهُنَّ. Prophet Yusuf said, I don't want to do what they are calling me to do. I will prefer to go to the prison. وَإِلَّا تَصْرِفُ عَنِّي كَيْدَهُنَّ. Unless you will abstain from, you will avert their plan from me. You will avert their plan. This is their plot. You have to avert it from me. You have to take it away from me. Because it's too much of Prophet Yusuf. That is because this particular one is a frustration word. Because they are frustrated. You know, when you are handsome, women will come from everywhere. Do we have handsome guy here? Show yourself. So women will be coming from everywhere. I have that friend when we were in school together, I was asking SubhanAllah. He's so handsome, but SubhanAllah. We are not guiding. You should understand better than that. Woman will come from this place, woman will come from this place. They want to have this particular guy. You know the day of me in school, he said, you know the day of me. Because they will stand by women, see they know what they want. They know what they want to collect. They will leave out. They will leave. That is what happened to Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. So he was so frustrated that he had no choice than to ask Allah for guidance. And he chose to go to the prison instead of him to submit to what the women are calling him for. And he said, except to apart from me, this is their plan. If you did not apart from me, I may incline to what they request. They are requesting. It can happen. This is a frustration. Because if you are frustrated, they ask you to do this. If you don't do this, you go to the prison. If you don't do it, you go to the prison. You know, you feel like, prison bound. Why will I go to the prison? So that was what really happened to Prophet Yusuf. And he also said, I will have to submit to what they are doing. I will have to submit myself to this their plot. And I will be of those that are ignorant. And I will be of those that are ignorant. That was what happened to Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. And Allah will put that. First Allah answered his prayer. Allah answered Prophet Yusuf's prayer. فاستجاب له Allah answered his prayer. فصرف عنه Allah avert from him their plan. Allah averted this, their plot, this women plot, Allah averted it from him. That is why as a Muslim, no matter the situation you find yourself, always call Allah. You have direct connection to Allah. Don't bother yourself by let me go and meet my sheikh. Your sheikh will just advise you, but still, you have to get yourself direct connection to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You have problem, call Allah. If you have 99 or 100, 1 million problem, there is one solution to it. What is the solution to it? Call Allah. The solution to your problem is just do one prostration. Just do one prostration. One prostration is okay because Allah said, Prophet Muhammad said, the best position in which the servant is more closer to Allah is why it's in prostration. So Prophet said, while you are in sujood, you should say a lot of prayer. So now Prophet Yusuf asked Allah, فَاسْتَجَابَ لَهُ and Allah answered him. فَصَرَفَ عَنْهُ كَيْدَهُنَّ and Allah averted from him their plan. إِنَّهُ هُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ Indeed, Allah is the hearing and the knowing. Because Allah knows everything and Allah hears. So any problem you think you have, call Allah, Allah will hear you. Because He knows what you want. He knows your problem. He knows your situation. Gbogbo ìdílé ẹ̀ bá ti ń bára rẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí Mùsùlùmí, kéèyàn máa ti Ọlọ́run. Tó bá ní ìṣòro tí ṣòro yẹn bá ga, má nira rẹ̀ lára Ọlọ́run pè. Tó bá wò pé àṣòro yìí ní agbára, má nira rẹ̀ lára. Ọlọ́run yẹn gẹ́gẹ́ Ọlọ́run àbá oníkókè. Because ní ìyẹn owó ṣẹ́bí àní Ọlọ́run sọ pé òní gbọ́. Òun lòdù tó ń gbọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ sì ni òun nímọ̀, he knows your situation. He knows your problem. He knows what the challenges you are facing. He knows the challenges you are facing. So you have nothing to worry about that what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That was what Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam, that was what he did. Now I'm here today. Something happened here. Something happened here. Now it's now clear to Zuleika's husband that she was the one that was seducing Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. You know, as a woman, she is now pleading to her husband. She is now pleading to her husband. Mind you, that husband has not yet decided to imprison Prophet Yusuf alayhi salam. What he thought was that, what he knew was that his own wife was at fault. But he hasn't punished Yusuf because he knows that he's not at fault. His wife was the one that was seducing Yusuf. But as a woman, Ibn Abbas and her mother to the Ibn Abbas said, Zuleika said to her husband, this Hebrew guy, what if I go at him? He has disgraced me in the Khalki al-Hikaya. He has disgraced me in the front of every people in this city. There are a lot of stories going around about me seducing a servant. وَأَنَا مَعْبُوسَةٌ فِي بَيْتِي. But you, as a wealthy man in the city, you already locked me inside the house. You did not allow me to leave this house. مَعْبُوبَةٌ عَنِ الْخَلْقِ. You did not even let people know about me. People don't love me. Even though this woman that is spreading around has created a lot of animosity around you. I can't even face them. I tell them, I can't even face them to seek for, to make an excuse for what has happened. What we can do, and you are seeing, they are seeing him, maybe I'm lying against him. But in my adnabtu, and I'm the one that has sinned. فَإِمَّا أَذَنْتَنِي أَخْرُجُ. I think it's best solution for you now to do as my husband. You should give me opportunity. أَخْرُجُ, I should go out. I tell you, I should plead to the public that I'm the son of a rich person. I was the one trying to seduce my servant. You see, woman. How all you should have imprisoned this boy, Yusuf. Come and me ma'musatu, as you locked me inside the room that did not allow me to even go out. That was how Zuleika was trying to influence, persuade her husband. This is what Ibn Abbas is saying. How Zuleika was trying to persuade her husband. Come and me ma'musatu, you should imprison the boy as you imprison me, because according to the tafsir is that Zuleika was not permitted to go out according to her husband. So she don't have an access going out. They have a lot of servants that normally go to the market, buy everything. Zuleika will just be inside. So when this thing now happened, she was now using that opportunity to tell her husband that, okay, if you like, you have to let me go out and go and seek and go and give excuses to people. Or if you don't want to, she knows that her husband